Want your team to access pay stubs, request time off, and clock in from anywhere? The ADP mobile app for employees puts it all in their pocket. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. Employees download ADP mobile solutions from their app store. They log in using the same credentials as the web portal. The home screen gives them quick access to key features: view pay, time and attendance, time off requests, and profile. They can view current and past pay stubs, see accrued PTO balances, request time off, and, if enabled, even clock in and out with GPS location stamping, all from their phone. My crucial pro tip: enable biometric login. Encourage employees to set up Touch ID or Face ID in the app settings. It makes logging in faster and significantly more secure than a typed password on a mobile device. That's how you empower your team with instant access to their work information. Which mobile feature do you think employees value most? Pay access, time clock, or PTO requests? Let me know in the comments. For more tips on leveraging business apps, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.